Welcome back to our second part of how to learn a foreign language. If you like our video, feel free to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Selecting course materials. 1. Purchase a language learning app. There are numerous applications available to assist you in learning a new language. Read the reviews and select one or two that you believe will be both entertaining and useful. You can learn this way on the subway or train, during breaks at work or school, and pretty much any place else. 2. Make use of language learning software. There are numerous types of software available for learning new languages on your own. Ausmeal is widely used in Europe, while it is less well-known in the United States. This approach employs audio dialogues and includes a book as well as CDs. Another popular way is to teach yourself. It employs both direct translation and audio exercises, level by level. 3. Select language learning books. Buy a grammar book and a dictionary in the language you want to learn. To see translations from your native language to the target language, you'll also need a dual-lingual book. Choose a few books in the language you want to study that aren't textbooks, such as novels or non-fiction. 4. Immerse yourself in the language of choice. Immersion entails placing oneself in an atmosphere where only that language is spoken. This does not have to be a foreign nation. It might be a classroom or even your own home if you listen to music and watch TV in the target language. You might also go to a neighborhood in your city where the language is spoken. 5. Make a pamphlet. Writing helps you remember things. Making a booklet with grammar rules and vocabulary might be incredibly beneficial. First, choose a notebook. Then arrange it how you see fit. Grammar can be on the right and vocabulary on the left. It also allows you to practice writing sentences. Maybe break it into grammatical, vocabulary, and practice portions. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.